Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Excel sheet workflow automation. And in this automation, we are going to extract the images from the sheets and assign them a name, which is on the column B. So I'll delete this one and I'll jump in back to the sheet. Okay. So we have images which are not inside the cell, but overlaying on the cell, like on a sheet, just placing it in column C and column B having the names. We just want to save this image with this name in a folder in here. So to do that, I have built a code which is working with a slight glitch, which I just want to show you. So there are two things which you need to make sure that you are not using this on Mac. Maybe the Mac won't allow you to run this script. So to do that, so I have to put a break sign in here, which is the break sign. You can click on the gray part and this will become gray. Sorry, this will become brown. And I can give you a button in here. All right, so here is the button, and before pressing this button, I'll be putting a break sign in here, and then I'm running it. So you'll see this will stop in here, and I need to press F5, the button F5, function button, which is right at the top of the um, keyboard. And as soon as I'll press F5, you will see an image has been inserted in here, which if I'll open with Paint, it's going to show it like this. And you can always scan it, and you will see the name is exactly the M010, and I've tested randomly all of these images when I wasn't generating the file. So I just need to press F5 after every 2 seconds or maybe 1.5 seconds, and you will see the file, the images will get generated on the right side in the folder. These are the folder files which I have already generated. Okay, so I'll press F5, or you can always click on the play button right at the top, and this you can see the images are being generated. You just need to click in the code editor and press F5 every 1 or 2 seconds. So this is the only thing which you need to do it manually. The rest of the thing, like when I'm running this, the whole continuously it's showing me the blank files for some reason because of the clipboard settings. Maybe my computer's clipboard settings are not compatible with this. So this is doing the job, but with slight glitch. So it might take you maybe 1 minute or 1.5 to convert all of these images. But obviously, if you don't want to reuse this code, I have already updated or converted all the files which are in this folder. And once we agree, I'll share the folder with you. And you can scan things. You can make sure that the results are fine. Once you are satisfied, then we can proceed with the offer thing. So you can see 148 images. Yep, there are some blank cells as well. So these will get skipped automatically. I've confirmed this image and this image both on my mobile by scanning these and getting the correct names. So this is how it's going to work. Once you are done, you will be popped up with a message that all the images have been converted. Let me remove this and run it, and you will see there will be multiple images but blank. Okay. Currently the system is working and it's creating the files. Hundred and 16, 21, 23, 25, 27. You can see on the left bottom, 149. So one folder and a rest of the files. I don't think so this is going to work because yeah, you can see it's showing error. But once I'm running this on manual thing, like clicking one by one, it's creating the correct files without any problems. So I'll delete all of these files one more time. Okay, you can see once you are done, you will be having a pop-up of the conversion of the file. But I'll click on the do or maybe the time chart thing and run F5. And again, run F5 and you will see the image has been created. without any problems. So that is it from my side. I'm looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye. I think, sorry, the last thing here is that this might not work for you. So you have to make sure if the code is working for you or not. Thank you.